Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Casa Adobes local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers offers high-quality moving services in Casa Adobes, Arizona. Our experienced crews assist residential and commercial customers with their local and long-distance moves. Choosing the right mover to assist with your local relocation in Casa Adobes, Arizona will simplify the project. A professional moving company will make the process much easier, whether you choose basic services or a complete package. Ask several companies to provide you with estimates based on a visual inspection of your household goods. When the mover's representative comes to review the household goods shipment, you can ask questions about their services, schedule, and any packages or discounts available. Always get rate quotes in writing, and also get a copy of the mover's business license and proof of their insurance coverage. The cost of every move is different, but the prices are mainly based on the shipment's size and the trip's distance. Local projects are typically much less costly than long-distance moves due to the proximity of the origin and the destination. We provide extra alternatives to assist our clients in making choices that are tailored to their interests and budget. Our low-cost moving business provides hourly rates as well as fixed fees. In any event, moving doesn't have to take all day or be as difficult as a house move. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.